Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we continue our discussion on polymer processing, but we only focus on the thermoforming process. Thermoforming process is a process of forming the thermoplastic sheet or film over the mold through the application of heat and pressure. Sheet is clamped and heated up to the TG. TG means the glass transition temperature, where the temperature enough to soften the plastic sheet. And then we also apply the force using the vacuum of pressurized air against the mold surface to duplicate the shape of the mold. Here showing to you the 4 different types of the thermoforming process. Selection of these different method depends on the shape of your final product. The first one, you can use the straight vacuum forming, or you can apply direct vacuum forming and also force above the sheet. And the last one is a plug and ring forming. So plug and ring forming is usually used for the very simple design of the product. Okay, for the straight vacuum forming, the plastic sheet is placed in between of mold and the heater. Okay. And then heat will be applied above the plastic sheet to soften the plastic sheet. When it reach the TG temperature, glass transition temperature, the vacuum will start apply and allow the plastic sheet to move down and duplicate the shape of the mold. For the direct vacuum forming process, the plastic sheet is placed on the surface of the mold, and then the heater apply above to soften the plastic, and then the vacuum apply to suck the air and cause the plastic sheet to duplicate the shape of the mold. And the force above the sheet methods, where the mold is placed above the plastic sheet, and the mold will move down toward the plastic sheet, and the heater, the orange color heater, is applied to the mold. So it means that the mold now is in the high temperature mold, and then when the mold in contact with the plastic sheet, it will soften the plastic sheet, and then the plastic sheet will follow the shape of the mold, and at the same time the vacuum is applied. And for the plug and ring forming, no heat is applied, just a ramp is used to go down, to move down, and to press and change the shape of the plastic sheet to the required shape. Okay, and then for the design capability of the thermoforming process, this process only apply for the production of tray, house appliance, panel for shower stall, and etc. This method cannot be used to produce the hole or any opening because of the limitation to maintain the pressure during forming. Material have to exhibit high and uniform elongation, and the suitable mold for aluminium, the suitable mold for this method is aluminium due to the low strength and low cost requirement. And in the mold, we have to prepare the hole in smaller size, less than 0.5 millimeter, for the vacuum forming or suction of the air. Okay, there is a potential defect may occur in this process, such as tearing of the sheet. Maybe we can get a non-uniform hardness, improper fill mold, and poor part definition, and maybe lack of the surface detail. Okay, thank you very much. We end of this topic. Next lecture we will continue on the another method of processing.